People will oftentimes ask me, when do I know it's time to think about joint replacement surgery? Well, the simple answer is when the pain is not controlled by pain medications, injections, icing, and activity modifications. We used to tell people to wait as long as possible, but that's probably not really good advice. Now, when the joint begins to impact your daily living, that is, you can't get around enough, you're not getting enough exercise, well, your heart, your lungs, and even your brain begins to suffer. That's when it's time to think about having a joint replaced.